Hey everyone, welcome to Challenge 200 from TechHub.Training. Today we will be working on an exciting sports analytics challenge where we analyze NBA players' data using Python and Pandas to help the Hawaii Sharks recruit the best players. I'll walk you through every single line of code so you can fully understand how we manipulate and visualize this data. Let's get started. To start, we need to import two essentials Python libraries, Pandas and Matplotlib. Let me explain why. First, Pandas is used to handling and manipulating structured data. Matplotlib helps us create visualizations. And next, we need to define a function to load a dataset. This dataset contains player stats like age, points per game, steals per game, rebounds per game, and plus-minus ratings. Let's take a look at how we load the data. So we can see here pd.read CSV file path reads the CSV file containing our dataset and converts it into Pandas data frame, which allows us to manipulate efficiently. And then, next line, we print the column names to ensure that we have the correct dataset and to check for any potential formatting issues before applying filters. Some datasets that we know may have trailing spaces in column names which can cause errors when accessing them. df.columns.str.strip removes unnecessary spaces and makes sure our columns names are clean. With our dataset properly loaded and cleaned, we can now move into filtering players based on the Hawaii Sharks selections criteria. The Hawaii Sharks are looking for specific attributes in the players. Here's what they want. For point guards, age below 30, average above 18 points per game, and average above 1 steal per game. For shooting guards, plus minus above 0, average more than 1 steal per game, and for centers, age below 32, average more than 6 rebounds per game, average more than 6 rebounds per game, average more than 10 points per game. Now that we understand the criteria, let's apply filters to our dataset to find the best players. Now we will define the filters for each position based on the criteria. Here we filter the point guards. Using conditions inside square brackets, each condition is separated by which acts as a logical AND operator, meaning all conditions must be true for all players to be selected. We use the same approach for shooting guards, ensuring that their plus-minus ratings is positive and that they average at least 1 steal per game. Finally, we filter forwards and centers, ensuring they are under age 32, average at least 6 rebounds per game, and score more than 10 points per game. Now that we have filtered our players, let's visualize them based on their performance using bar charts. To better understand our selection, let's create bar charts for each position. This graph shows the positions per game for all selected players. We can now break it down further by position. Here's a breakdown of the performance of point guards, shooting guards, and forward centers, each color-coded for better readability. We successfully used Python and Pandas to analyze an NBA dataset, filter players based on Hawaii Sharks criteria, and visualize their performance. This is a great example of how data analytics is used in sports decision making. Join the challenge at TechHub.Training. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more data science challenges. See you next time.